Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, navigation system, LED headlights, traction control, stability control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.